Welcome to NFA Drafting. Today we're going to do an isometric projection introduction. For every drawing that we complete, we need to make sure that we have a border and title block drawn out on our paper. If you do not recall how to make a border and title block, there is a previous video describing how to do so. So in all technical drawings, the first thing we must do is identify the front. From this front, we are able to identify the right and then top sides of our object. So in isometric drawings, we want to start our drawing with the corner of the object. This allows us to see all three sides of the object, front, right, and top side. We're going to use our triangle with a 30-degree angle to get our drawing started. The starting point of my object is going to be in the center of my paper, about an inch above my border. I'm going to start by making the front corner of my object. I use my triangle, I flip it over 180 degrees, and then I'm going to draw my depth, and then I'm going to use the vertical edge, the 90-degree corner, to draw the height of my object. You do not need to draw this line right now, but I'm drawing a horizontal line as a reference to show you that this is a 30-degree angle. So once I have this corner drawn, now I'm going to go back with my ruler and I'm going to make all of these lines the proper lengths. We're going to use full scale for this drawing. So the three lines that I have drawn right now is this bottom horizontal line, this vertical line of the height, and then the depth line right here. Now I'm going to draw the rest of the lines on the front of my object. I'm making sure that I use my triangle going in the proper direction using the proper angle to complete this drawing. You'll notice as you watch me draw, I start my line with my triangle and I always finish it with my ruler. This allows you to speed up the process of this drawing, getting accurate results in a shorter amount of time. Now the front of my object is done. If I hold it up in isometric projection, I know now that I'm ready to start adding my depth lines. Now it's very important that we still use our triangle to draw these lines. It's going to go up to the right now, and we're going to make sure that they're all the same length. You'll notice as I draw these lines, I'm sliding my triangle on my T-square. This speeds the process up, and I'll go back and I'll add the measurements in a little bit. Once I have all my depth lines drawn, now I'm ready to draw the back edge of the object. So I'm going to use my triangle to connect the points, making sure that all of the angles are the same as that front edge. here is your completed isometric projection of the first block.